Hello friends. In today's class we are going to talk about one of the very common mistakes done during creation of LR0 collection. Hi everyone. And now what we are going to do here is saying another example of LR0 collection. And you have to remember this example so that you will not repeat the mistakes that you may commit. Okay, so the first kind of the mistake, and this example explore that particular mistake that what we need to do. So now first thing is, this grammar is already augmented. Okay, so you don't need to do the augmentation over here, and now we'll just start creating the collection in this case. So now here s dash derive dot s, and I'll add the s production dot da and s derived dot ab. Okay, now see here, dot is in front of what? Terminal and terminal, and still two productions are left. They are not included over here. Okay, so now as per the closure rule, we'll stop here. We will not proceed further. Okay, so we will stop here because the operation, closure operation, says that you have to stop when the dot is in front of terminal. Now we will move this dots, go to capital S. So this will become s dash derive s dot, and that is your I1 state. Now we'll move this D, and this will become s derive D dot A. Now dot is in front of it. Now I will include this production A derived dot BA and A derived dot C. And I will call this state as I2. On input small a, this will become s derive a dot b, and the b production will be b derived dot b capital B and b derived dot c. Okay, so now later they were included, but in the first state there was no such situation, and we have not included these symbols in this. Okay, so now we'll proceed further, and here on input, let's say capital A, go to on capital A, this will become s derive d a dot, and that is your I4 state. Here on input small b, it will become a derive b dot a, dot is in front of a, again a production, a derive dot ba and a derived dot c. This is a new state, and I will call it as I5. On input C, it will become a derive c dot terminal, and this is your I6. On input capital B, this will become s derive a b dot, and that's your I7 state. On input B, it will become b derive b dot b and b derived dot b capital B and b derived dot c, and this state I will call it as I8. On input small c, this will become b derive c dot, and I will call this state as I9. Okay, so are we done? No, we are not done with this, and a few more state. On input capital A, like this, it will become a derive b a dot, I10 state. And on input B, what it will become, let me just give you this example over here, that on input B, it will become a derive b dot a, yeah, and a derived dot ba and a derived dot c. So exactly the replica same here, and for that reason what we can do is we can just loop on input small, on input B. On input C, this will go here. On input C, this will go here. Coming back to this, on input capital B, what it will become? B derive small b capital B dot, I call this state as a new state I11. This will become B dot B, similar situation like this. So this will loop on B, verify this, and on input C, this will go to this state. This is your collection, and this collection is consist of how many state? I0 to I11. Okay, I0, I1, and up to I11. Okay, let's just numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I0 to I11. Okay, this is your what is this? Canonical LR0 collection. This is your LR0 collection. Okay, so that's all for this example. Thank you.